Want to be able for everyone to view your album? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change your album to public on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on your profile picture. Here in your profile, right under Add to Story, tap on Photos. Then, tap on Albums. Now tap on the album that you want to make it to public. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Then go to Edit. Tap on the icon under Add a Description. Then change the setting to Public. Then go back. And this is how you change Facebook album to public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.